Hi guys, this is Grandma. I wanted to tell you about a special kind of number. So I'm making a little video for you, and the kind of numbers I want to tell you about are called Fibonacci numbers. And they're pretty easy to find or to make. So they start, see, I hope that you can see that it says Fibonacci numbers. That's what those words say. And they start with a 1 and a 1. And then to find the rest of the numbers, what you do is you add 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then you keep going down the line to find the next one. You add 1 plus 2, and 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then to find the next one, guess what you do? You add the last two you just got, you add them up, and that equals 5. And you just keep going like that. So we're going to do a couple more. So I'm going to stop writing the pluses and the equals. We're just going to add these next numbers here. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And then it's getting a little harder because the numbers are a little bigger. But 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. And then one more. 8 plus 13, these last two, we're going to add them up. 8 plus 13 is equal to 21. And you could just keep going. If we did one more, if we did 13 plus 21, that would be equal to 34. So they just keep going and going. So I want you to notice, especially some of these numbers, just kind of keep them in mind, especially the 3, 5, and 8. Well, they're all important. Maybe the 13, you're going to see a 21. So now I'm going to show you some pictures from nature. I'm especially going to show you some flowers and some spirals and see if you see these numbers in the spirals and in the petals of flowers and in other places too. First, we'll take a look at flowers. Not all flowers have a number of petals that's a Fibonacci number, but a lot of them do. So here's a calla lily, it has one petal. Here's a begonia, and it has two different types of petals, two big ones and two little ones. And here's a daylily, and it has two groups of three. So there's three petals that have the purple with them, and then three petals that don't. Lots and lots of different flowers have 5 petals. This is an oleander. I took this picture in the backyard by my swimming pool. Some flowers have even higher numbers of petals that are Fibonacci numbers, like this African daisy from the front yard. This one has 21, which is 8 plus 13 is 21. Now, there are shapes in nature too, and you guys have seen my shell at my house. This is a Nautilus shell. I'll have to make a different video sometime that talks about this, but not just the shapes of spirals, but the number of spirals. So looking at a pine cone, you can count the spirals that go clockwise, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 going one way. 8 is a Fibonacci number. And if you go the otherwise, counterclockwise, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 13 is a Fibonacci number. But it's not only in nature that we see Fibonacci numbers. If you look at your piano keyboard and you look let's just look at the C scale from C up to C. How many black keys are there? There are 5 of them, and 5 is a Fibonacci number. How many white keys are there? There are 8 of them in a scale, and 8 is a Fibonacci number, So how many keys altogether from C to C? 5 black keys plus 8 white keys is 13 keys altogether, and 13 is a Fibonacci number. So those are just some places in the world where you can find Fibonacci numbers. I thought you might have fun with that. I hope you guys liked my little video and learning about the Fibonacci numbers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Have a good day. Love you guys. Bye bye.